Okay, good afternoon folks, welcome to Peepaw's shop. The folks at Mekoh sent me this 24-inch surface cleaner. We're going to unbox this thing, see what's in it, get it assembled and see where we can go from there. Okay, this is real simple to put together. They've made it real easy because you want to get in and out, so we got to be able to put it together and take it apart. It's got a little ring, got to slip this pin through there, slip a little ring on it, and there's 4 places for doing that. 2 down here at the head. One on each side, and that gets that. And then there's, of course, your hose. And let me just say, they send a whole pack of Teflon tape, so you can tape it up, keep it from leaking. If you have to undo it and pack it up each time you go from one place to the next, and you got plenty of tape left. Now the hose is going to run along the handle on the other side, underside, and right here there are 2 more pins. And again, quick. Just slip that ring through there and the pin pops out. Slip that ring. Just roll it around like that. That pin will slide right out. Slip it back in there. And open that retainer clip up just a little bit. Making it harder than it really is. And slip that through there. So there you go. So that's got that. Like I said, the hose is going to run under here through this other tube. Alright, and then we're going to come up here to the handle. Having a hard time seeing with this bright sunlight. We'll have a hard time. We come up here to the handle, and this handle has 2 holes over here on this side, and this is going to slip up on there. Okay, so I had to release the hose to get this to slide on. So you got 2 holes here on the handle side, on the trigger side, then inside here. The rubber piece, there's holes on both sides, so you just have to line it up. They send you this nice little pouch here, and it's got the screws in it along with a wrench, and I think I've got it lined up. They should go through. We'll find out here in just a second. Looks like a self-tapping screw at that. I may go get my power tool and run that in there just to make sure. It's going. It's just a little slow for me. There we go. Everything about in there. So we got the idea there. I'm still going to get my driver. Okay folks, so there we have it. Fully assembled. And oddly enough, the instructions tell you to use the power tool or the manual tool, either one for putting the handle on. So there we go. That's how we're going to go. And then of course we'll hook the pressure washer to here and have that hose there, and we'll just work this thing down to the surface we're trying to clean. The driveway for me might be something else for you. This is going to be an awesome addition to our stuff, and we're going to put this to great use. Got a couple of teenage boys. They might start their own little business with this thing. I don't know. But hey, if you're looking for a surface cleaner, hey, this one's easy to handle. It's easy to assemble. It's lightweight. And I just got it. Again, Mekoh sent it to me to review, so that's what I'm doing. And you'll see another video from me. I'll put this thing to the test out here in my driveway because it surely needs cleaning. Hey, maybe yours needs cleaning too. Maybe you got something else. I don't know. I think this is going to work for me. And if it works for me, I believe it'll work for you. Hey, in the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.